Today we're gonna plant peppers, sweet and hot. We have this one here. It just says patio red. They're cute peppers, really nice. I like how they look. It says that they're good for pots. I'm gonna be putting them on the ground just to see how they do. And then we have the jalapeno peppers. These ones, I hope they do well because I really like them. And then we have the pepper long red cayenne, and this one is a nice one. And I've planted them before and they did really well. So let's see, I have 2 packages of this, one of the jalapeno and one of the sweet ones. The soil is ready. I'm just gonna cover the fertilizer a little bit, so we don't want the seeds directly on the fertilizer, just in case, because sometimes the fertilizer can be too strong and burn the seeds to a point where they won't germinate. So I'm gonna cover that up a little, and then we're gonna put down our beautiful seeds that are in here. So I've covered the fertilizer and I put down the seeds. I put them close together because these seeds, not all of them will germinate. So that's why they're kind of close together. I don't know if you can see them, but it's those white specks that you see. And now I'm gonna cover them up. I'm not gonna put too much dirt on top of them, just a little bit. It says on the package that it'll take between 7 to 14 days to germinate. So again, we'll check in about 7 days to see if anything has come out already. So all done. And that's it. We'll do follow-up on it. The cayenne peppers germinated really well. Also the sweet ones. Sweet patio red. There's also a few plants of those. The ones that did extremely well, believe it or not, are the jalapeno plants. There's like tons of these plants. So I'm assuming that that's gonna do really, really good. So these are the cayenne peppers. I see fruit over there already. And then we have jalapeno peppers, and they are so cute. Look at that. So cute. Very happy with the peppers. Then we have the Jamaican sweet peppers. I don't see any fruit yet. Oh, I do actually. There's some fruit already. Like right there. Oh yeah, and there too. So let's see what they do. And here we have, I believe it's cayenne again. Cayenne hot peppers, and there's already some fruit as well. Yeah. Not too much fruit so far, but I still see flowers, which means there's more fruit coming. So let's see. It's late October and we have a massive production of hot chili peppers. Beautiful. And because the frost here comes late, these chili peppers will ripen on time before the frost. You can see there's already some mature ones. The jalapeno peppers are ready for harvest, so I'm going to be showing you how to preserve them. They're good the way they are, raw, but I like to do something else with them. I like to preserve them in a way that I can enjoy them in the winter time. My cayenne peppers are getting ready. They're nice and red. And my Jamaican beauties are cute as well. They're looking good as well. The jalapenos, I have another batch that I can pick. Lots of them already, again. So here they are, my jalapeno peppers. I know they're spicy because we've tried them. So they're really, really good. Now, how beautiful is this? So pretty. The jalapeno, I'm going to grill them and preserve them in jars. The cayenne ones, the cayenne peppers, I'm going to dry them up and then crush them and use them as the crushed chilies. And then my Jamaican beauties, I'll be eating them fresh because apparently these ones are not hot, so that's what I hope. So there you go. I love these little guys. So here they are roasting, and as you can see here, they're starting to show signs of roasted. Wow, they're looking good. So now they're peeled. I'm gonna cut out the stem and I'm gonna leave them whole like this with all the seeds inside, and that's what they should look like. So they're now ready for the seasoning. They look amazing and they're hot. For the seasoning, I'm gonna use garlic, salt, and olive oil. So make sure that your jars are sterilized. Boil them for about 10 minutes or so. So I'm gonna start with some olive oil at the bottom, just to coat the bottom, like that. Pinch of salt, and I'm gonna start with my jalapenos. And I kind of pack them. So at about this stage, I'll add a little bit more salt, and at this point I'm going to add some garlic. So I'd say 1 clove at a time. Now a little bit more olive oil, more jalapenos. It looks very good, and I'm sure they're gonna taste yummy. So either you roast them and preserve them, or you dry them, or you eat them fresh. It's really up to you. I love them all either way. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to keep up with Linda.